Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your wireless adapter is active. If there's a hardware switch, turn it on now. Once done, gather the SSID and password because you'll need them when prompted. Next, click the network icon in the taskbar. If it's missing, open Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center to access the same options. This initial step removes common blockers so you can proceed straight to scanning and connecting without interruption. Choose your network from the list. You'll see signal strength and security type. Prefer WPA2 for better security. Click Connect, then enter the password exactly as provided. Capitalization and symbols matter. If you plan to use this network regularly, check Connect automatically so Windows joins it without prompting. While Windows negotiates IP and authentication, watch for status messages. If it asks to choose a network location, after connecting, verify access by loading a web page. Also open Network and Sharing Center to confirm connection type. If you have no internet, run Windows Network Diagnostics to let the system auto-fix common issues, and then try disabling and re-enabling the wireless adapter. If the adapter shows an IP like 169.254.x, your router's DHCP likely failed, restart the router. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the PC after adapter resets. That often clears cached errors and restores normal service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.